again, hi. So this is really awesome. Just a thought going on in my mind, and it was uh, we should smile every time. It will be a great asset for us and everyone around us, because the way we interact is the way we are leaving our signature to the people. And they are awesome, everyone is awesome, and they will be leaving in some time for sure. So just stay with them and support them, and whatever you can do to support them, it's fine, it's totally good, it's completely fine. Just make yourself a priority also. You shouldn't be judged, because you will be the one who will be with you for all the time. But still, these people still exist, and we should try to make them laugh and then not to make them sad, because that's how we should live life. But yeah, if we have work and we can't do in front of some people, then we should leave. But after then, try something like people are interested, something like that you try. It will be a great asset, great benefit for you. I'm really so grateful that so many people come, and I see that some people I have misbehaved, and I really repent over that. So my take is never insult a people, every time smile. It's a great joy. And then about my day, it was good, but it could have been better. Today my approach was a bit off. What the approach I took is, how am I doing the work? My work was completed, first of all. Other thing is, I got it now. Why they say that we should submit everything to the God is because we don't get that we have done something, and then we won't get the feeling of accomplishment. It's the feeling of accomplishment that actually blocks us from accomplishing anything else. So everything, whatever you accomplish, give it to God. Accomplish, give it to God. You shouldn't own anything. I will try with that philosophy tomorrow. Accomplish and give. And then my day about is, Prasanna is quite fast in getting the things, in understanding the things. However, that was the problem, but I think he also got the clarity after that only. So okay, then I think I am doing good behavior with Rachit, Bijay, Akash. I shouldn't care about. He don't care, so I should also not care. I think I have to practice a bit about how to create a story, how to manifest, no, how to ridicule, how to story fabricate कैसे करते हैं, how to fabricate a story in a way that people would love to hear, how to extort, just extricate the things so that people would love to hear them. I have to work on over that. It will be a great thing for us to do that. People actually should be loved. It's fine, it's fine. Not love, just don't think anything else. Just treat them gently at your level. Nothing else.